Advanced Physiography, Section 2. Ready? Start. From us, please inform us, to us, as we have, as we can, as we cannot, as we do, as we think, as we shall, as we may, as well as usual, as well as can be, as soon as we can, as soon as they, it is said, for his sake, in this century, in this city, in this subject of this statement, this has been at first cost, Wednesday next, in our view, in our statement, it appears that by all means, stop. It is only necessary, it can only be, it may only be, they will only be, longer than, more than, any longer, no longer than, rather than, smaller than, going on, at all our own, have been accepted, have been expected, have been informed, have been returned, who have not, out of doors, rate of interest, state of affairs, Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, at all events, into effect, incorporated association, medical association, political association, trader association. Stop.